Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Adobe Express for YouTube. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adobe Express is a great tool for creating YouTube content such as thumbnails, channel art, and video clips. So once you are logged into your account, you see there is going to be a plus button here to create a new project from scratch. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here to create your own template. You can go to the social media, right? So these are going to be some of your options here. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course YouTube. Now for YouTube, you have all of these options. You can choose the YouTube banner, and the measurements and the dimensions are also put in, like 2560 by 1440. YouTube display ad, YouTube profile photo, and of course YouTube shorts, YouTube video ad, YouTube video, and YouTube thumbnail. Now we're going to explore all of these, and the first thing that we are going to choose is the YouTube thumbnail. It will be forwarded here, and for us to be able to customize this thumbnail, we will be given a lot of templates section here. You see there is like 7,282 results. You can show only the free ones if you're not using the premium, or if you want both of them, just click on the free premium options here. For example, we're going to maybe look for something very interactive. I'm choosing this one. You can add as pages or start a new file. Click on add as pages. What happens is it will be forwarded here. Right? Now, from here you can customize all of these. For example, this is going to be how to use Adobe Express for YouTube. You can customize all of these. Right? For example, this is going to be a how-to. Obviously, this is going to be Deep Labs channel. Now, I'm going to quickly switch to our Deep Labs YouTube channel. We have tons of Adobe Express related topics that we have covered in the past that you might want to check here. Okay, because we are here to help you solve your problems. I'm going to copy the YouTube channel URL. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. Now, going back to Adobe Express, I'm gonna put in the channel below here. There you go. That's gonna be episode 1. Now, from basically this one, you can add your own photo if you want. All right, if you have a custom photo, you can also use that by going to the upload button and select files here. But what I'm going to do instead is use the brand option or feature. We have a separate video on how to create and how to apply and use brands. If you might want to check that in our channel, it's available there. I'm going to put in our logo here. Once you are happy with that, now this is the fun part here. You can basically click on the download section wherein you can download this PNG, which is best for image, and you can upload it on your YouTube channel as a thumbnail and whatnot. You can use JPEG, PDF, and PDF standard. But if you want to share this amazing YouTube thumbnail that you have created to your client for feedback and approval, just click the copy link. You can set the only invited people can access, like your client or your boss or anyone with the link. Especially helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers. You have the option if they can comment and can edit. All right, copy that link. Now, similarly, I have chosen another image that I'm going to upload here. So this is created from another Adobe platform, but obviously you can use all these, right? You can use that, and you can use, I'm gonna use this as well. So I have like options. All right, so that's one way. Now we're going back again to the homepage. Let's go to the search for content or generate your own. Let's type in YouTube. This time we will be given a lot of these options. All right, templates, obviously. All right, so you have all this YouTube thumbnail. But if it's just go here at the stuff, go again to the view all, quick action, social media. Just wait for it to load. Now again to the YouTube, if you're planning to create a YouTube short, that's going to be 1080 by 1920 dimension. You would be forwarded here. And of course, like again, we can use some of our brand kits. Now this is going to be the layouts where you can choose, right? So YouTube shorts. Let's see what we got. Popular template. Maybe for example, this one right here. All right, how about we use this one? Add as pages. Right, and then let's click it. Let's see what the designs look like. All right, so looks pretty interesting. Amazing, right? So what we can do is, you see all the layers are stacked together. If you click that, you would notice that these are the elements put in this YouTube shorts. What we can do is we can add our own brand here, which is going to be obviously the DPlaps YouTube channel logo. I'm going to put it here, somewhere here. So I wanted to the emphasis of our video. So let's try to click play if all the elements have been put together, right? So here, pretty interesting. Really is something. Now, once you are happy with this YouTube shorts, again, similarly to what we have discussed earlier, go to the download section, choose any of the file format. Earlier, because it's a thumbnail, it's going to be a photo, but now we are going to use the MP4. After that, again, you have the option to choose from the video resolution. Is it going to be 720? Especially helpful if you're just drafting the design, sending it to your client or to your boss or to other multiple freelancers you are working with. If you wanted the highest quality, which is going to be 4K, just choose that. Click on download. And again, you have an option to share this if you want to save it to your cloud. So you have like a backup data to your Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. And again, you can simply click the copy link, send it to the people you have invited or to anyone with the link. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.